Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. We should not love Krishna for some material gain. It is not that Krishna give us our daily bread, then I love you. Krishna give me this, then I love you. There is no such mercantile exchange. That is wanted. Krishna wants that kind of love. So, here it is said, that position, jati dasha, when as soon as Krishna saw Mother Yashoda is coming with a rope to bind him, so he immediately became very much afraid, so that tears came out. Mother is coming to bind. Jati dasas kulila, anjana, and the ointment is being washed out. And Sambhama, and with great respect looking to the mother, with feeling appeal, yes, mother, I have offended you, kindly excuse me. This was the scene of Krishna. So that scene is appreciated by Kunti. And immediately his head became downward. So this is another Krishna's perfection, that although he is the supreme personality of Godhead, and Bhagavad Gita he says, Matta parataram nanyat kinchid asti dhananjaya. My dear Arjuna, there is no superior being above me. I am the supermost. Natya, matya parataram na anyat. There is nobody else. That supreme personality of Godhead, above whom there is none. That supreme personality of Godhead is bowing down before Mother Yashoda. Niniya, bhaktram niniya. He is accepting, my dear mother, yes, I am offended. Niniyam bhaktram bhaya bhavanaya, with a feeling of fearfulness. Thitas. Sometimes when Yashoda Mother Yashoda used to see that the child has become too much afraid, she also became disturbed. Because if the child is disturbed, it is a psychology, there is some mental reaction. So Mother Yashoda did not want that actually Krishna will suffer by my punishment. That was not Krishna, Mother Yashoda's purpose. But as a mother, feelingly, when she feels too much disturbance, the child is, this system is still current in India, when the child too much disturbing, he is bound up in a place. That is very common system. So Yashoda Mother adopted it. Samang vimohayat. So that is the scene appreciated by pure devotees, that how much greatness is there in the Supreme Person, that he is playing exactly a perfect child. When he is playing like a child, he plays perfectly. When he plays a husband, 16,000 wives, he was playing perfectly as husband. When he was playing as lover of the gopis. He was playing perfectly. When he was friend of the cowherd's boy, he was playing perfectly. The cowherd's boy all depend on Krishna. They wanted to taste the palm tree fruits, but there was a demon, Gardhavasu. They would not allow anyone to enter that palm tree. But the boy friends of Krishna cowherds, they requested, Krishna, we wanted to taste that fruit. If you can arrange. Yes. Immediately Krishna arranged. Krishna and Balaram went to the forest, and the demons, they were living there in the shape of asses, and immediately they came to kick by their hind legs to Krishna and Balaram. And Balaram captured one of them and immediately threw on the top of the tree, and the demons died. So the friends also were very much obliged to Krishna. There was fire all round. They do not know anything. Krishna, yes, Krishna is ready. Krishna immediately swallowed up the whole fire. There are so many demons attacked. Every day, all the boys, they would come back to their home and explain to their mother, Mother, Krishna is so wonderful. You see, this happened today. And the mother will say, yes, our Krishna is wonderful. So much, that's all. They do not know Krishna is God. Krishna is the Supreme Person. Krishna is wonderful, that's all. And their love increases. The more they perceive Krishna's wonderful activities, they become more lover. Perhaps he may be a demigod. Yeah. That is their suggestion. When Nanda Maharaj will talk amongst his friends, and the friends will talk about Krishna, oh, Nanda Maharaj, your child, Krishna is wonderful. Yes, I see that. Maybe some demigod. That's all. Maybe, that is also not certain. So, the inhabitants of Vrindavan, they do not care who is God, who is not God. That is not their business. But they want Krishna and love Krishna. That's all.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.